Okay, hello everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to be learning about how to remove the background from a regular image. And this works for any JPEG or PNG. If you're looking at right now, I have a PowerPoint that I want to make sure that I edit, but you can see that background is all white and obviously stands out. So all I have to do is open up the photo itself. So this file is already a PNG. Doesn't really matter anyways, but you can open it. And what you're going to want to do from here is you want to head over and click on this little icon right here. And you can just go ahead and left click it. It's called Microsoft Designer and it comes with some awesome features. Specifically, the one that I want to use today is the background removal feature. So right here, background in this segment right here, remove. All I have to do is click on it and it does it automatically for me. And with that, the background is removed. Now, why is it that I want to do this? Because the idea here is that I want to be able to then save this and go back to the PowerPoint that I was working on. Now, all the videos that I have and edit, I can sometimes make on a simple PowerPoint. And by removing background of some of my characters, I'm able to then make them move and kind of blend in a lot more easily. See now how the new image itself doesn't have that white background itself. So I'm then able to shrink it down, move it around, and it looks like it blends right into this background. So it comes in really handy, it's quick, and all that was done in less than a minute. All right, hopefully that was helpful.